Alright, so guys, this is my balance again. Okay, to 5 for free. Okay, the free update. Go share. Go share is here to bless people's life for this December time. Okay, so now you can see, I just want to show you. Okay, before I do that, please, if you are trying to register this thing, anywhere they give it to you, don't just click, copy it, go to your Chrome. Okay, make sure you have a good service, paste on your Chrome. Alright, once you paste on your Chrome, it will cause some people are having a lot of people are having issue. Okay, because the website is loaded and the traffic is so high. So copy it, use Chrome. If you have VPN, open your VPN. Okay, use Chrome. Let your service be sharp. You will see that you are going to register successfully. But if it keep giving you issue, okay, just try and do it in the midnight when the pressure of the traffic will reduce. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Let me see some withdrawal pattern. I just want to show you withdrawal pattern. Okay, to show that you can withdraw freely without any issue. Okay, where is this withdrawal? So I want to place a withdrawal. Alright, so you click on withdraw. Let me see. Okay, today is Sunday. Withdrawal is possible. Can you see the withdrawal pattern? Okay, you can withdraw 1,000, 3,300, 5. Okay, on 1,000 no charges will be. When I click on 3,000, can you see there is 10% charges on 3,300. So their charges is what they put at the back: 300, 500, 1,000, 3,000. Okay, for your first withdrawal without charges is 1,000 naira, and I have 2 6. Let me place withdrawal for 1,000 naira. Okay, so how much you receive? Okay, I've put my bank already, so let me just submit it. Okay, application is completed by official. Follow the official Telegram. The withdrawal can be completed within 48 hours. Okay, let me follow their Telegram. Alright, so that's how you process your withdrawal. Okay, people will be receiving withdrawal for free. No stress. Okay, guys, no stress. This is completely free update. No stress at all. Okay, what's the name now? And you see they have 87K followers. So for free, to show that they are really making people money. Alright, when you invite people that be changed to 3,800, you are going to get from the people you invite. Okay, for 24 hours, you are going to increase it from 400 to 400. So read those things. So that's how to place withdrawal. So let's see. You try 72 hours, please. You can receive it in 5 minutes. You can receive it in 10 minutes. You can receive it in 1 hour. You can receive it in 23 hours. Okay. So that's how the withdrawal is. Just make sure once you register, make sure you log in. I've shown you how to connect. I'll show you how to connect. Oh. So as you can see, this is the main money. Okay. This is my WhatsApp income money. Oh, I'm online. Can you see I've been online for 48 hours? Okay, so you don't have any problem. Just on your WhatsApp, be browsing, be doing whatever you are doing. This one will keep counting. This is where the real money is active invite. Okay, for one invite you can have 3 8. How do you get that 3 8? Once they are online for 24 hours, you have 600. For 48 hours, you have another 600. For 72 hours, you have 2,600. Wow, that is money, free money. Okay.
So here's a quick video on GoShare. So this is how you set up your account. You input your phone number here. So let me just use the phone number. Then you put any email of your choice. Okay, let me use this. Then password, you can use anything for your password. Right, so you click on agree next. So let me just save this. Then log into WhatsApp. So you meant you click on this, you need to complete all these steps the moment you click on it. Or let me just go back. So in case you are here or anywhere, let me say you are in your state or home. So this is your home. Just click on new users bonus. Just click on it here. So you need to complete all these steps. Let me click on set question. So just answer the question. You can just pick random answers, then submit. So after submitting, you need to receive. So you just receive here. Then to the second tax here. So you wait till this lapse. Sorry. So you wait till it lapse. Then click on next. Okay, next. 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 So that's it. Then you receive again. So this is where the problem lies, because some people don't know how to link their WhatsApp. So just click on check here. So click on login to WhatsApp. So you click on phone number instead. Use phone number instead. So you put your WhatsApp here. 8126. Oh, let me just use this 701-890-7096. Okay, get. So it will generate 4 digit. I said 8 digit code for you. It's not even digit. It's mixed with number and alphabet. Okay. So this is the code you are using. So this is a description here. This description on how to link it to your WhatsApp. So this does it. So you go to your WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp. Then click on the 3 options here. On the 3 icons. You click on link devices. So you click on link a device. Use mobile data. Then so beneath here, click on link with phone number instead. So the 8 codes that you are given, you paste it here. So let me go back to it again. What are the 8 codes? R4XR, 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 DDBN. So you just need to indicate the name you are using for it. You can just put any name here. So it has been linked already. As you can see, this is active. So you go back to the site. So, but because I've linked this WhatsApp with my main account already, so it won't work that way. So that's why it failed. But if I've not linked it with any account, it will be successful. Just login successful. Got it. So let's go back. So same page, right? You need to invite at least one person. Okay, let's go back to the task. So assuming I'm able to complete it, I'll just receive here. Then you make sure you are logged in. After receiving here, you make sure you are logged in on that WhatsApp for at least 15 minutes. So just at least log in for like 30 minutes. Then you receive the same way we received the theory. Yeah. Then you refer one person. Just click on check like this. Then copy your referral link here. Copy it. Then you do the needful rather. After that, then you just click on check to place your withdrawal. So this is where you made your account number. Just go to bind. You put your name here, your bank account. That's your bank name. I said your bank name, your account name. I said account name. Your account number rather. This will be your name, your account number, then your bank name. So assuming, okay, let me just cite an example here. Okay, my name is, let me just use Israel. Okay, cool. Yeah. Then my account number will be 8126701783. Then I'll just select to pay here. Just submit. So that is it, successful. So you go back. So this is the withdrawal options here. The there are certain amounts that you can withdraw. You either withdraw 1,000, 3,300, 5,500. So you just select either of the options here that your balance can go with. You understand? Just click on submit, then you're done. So within 15 minutes, you see your withdrawal.